Hello students, today we are going to read about that mental strategies for addition. So there is a short story. A hare and a tortoise started to do adding. The hare said, "Let me see who will finish the sum first." So hare and tortoise decided to have a race. Hare said, "I'm sure I will win the race." "You lazy fellow." Hare is doing fast. Even hare is doing some fast. After some times, hare feels very tired. But tortoise still doing the sum. Come, let us see who finished the race first. Oh, tortoise finished the race first. Come, let us see how the tortoise finished the race first. Oh, tortoise used the mental strategies for addition. But hare used a traditional method to do the addition. So tortoise finished first. Let us see what the strategies used by tortoise. Yes, adding bigger. So we are going to add 399 with 456. So adding bigger number can be difficult. To make it easier, we can break the bigger number down to smaller part. Look at the bigger number. So here the bigger number 456, that we can break it into 450 and 6. So we can make a number line. On the number line we can make it 450 and 6. So 399 plus 400, that is equal to 799. Then 799 plus 50, that is equal to 849. 849 plus 6, that is equal to 859. So easily we got it, the answer as 855. So there are some more strategies for addition. So another way to add, that is to expand the form. To expand the form, so here also we are breaking this bigger number into a smaller number. That is 300 plus 90 plus 9. That is we are breaking the number into tens, hundreds, like that. So 399 we are expanding as 300 plus 90 plus 9. Same way 456, that you can write it as 400 plus 50 plus 6. Then here the hundreds place, which is the hundreds place here, 3 and 4, that is a 300 plus 400. Then 300 plus 400, you will get it as 700. Then 90 plus 50, 140. Then 9 plus 6, 15. Then you can add that ones place and the tens place number. If you add it, that 140 plus 15, you will be getting 155. Then with that 155, you need to add the 100 place number. 100 place number is 700. So 700 plus 155, that is 855. So this method is called as the expanded form. Then the next method is rounding off. So here we can round off to the hundreds and tens. For example, 399 can be round off as 400. 300 can be round off to 400. Then where do we get 1 to make it as 400? Yes, we can get that 1 from that second number, that is the 456, the other number. We can get it 1 from the other number, that is 456. When you taking 1 from here, you need to subtract 1 to that number. For example, if you are getting 1 to this number will be 400. Then if you subtract from here to here, that number will become a 455. Then 400 plus 455, the answer is 855. So this is that one more method to round, that is to find the addition. I am repeating. So the first method is decomposing method. Decomposing in science is nothing but it is breaking it down into smaller pieces. So decomposing in science is breaking it down into smaller pieces. So decomposing method can be shown it on a number line. Can be shown on a number line. So we can expand as 456 as 400 plus 50 plus 6. So 400, 399 plus 400, 799 plus 50 is 849 plus 6 is 855. Then the second method is expanded form. So you have learned before itself about the expanded form. So expanded form means according to the place value we are expanding it. So 399, that we can expand it as 300 plus 90 plus 9. Then 456 we can expand it 400 plus 50 plus 6. So 90 plus 50, 140, 9 plus 6 is 15, then 300 plus 4 is 700. So 140 plus 15 is 155. It to be added to the 700, then you will be getting 855. Then the rounding off method. Rounding off method, we are rounding the numbers. If it is 399, we can round it off 400. We are getting 1 from the other number. When you are getting 1 from the other number, you need to reduce it. 1 to be reduced to the other number. So that number will be 400 plus 455. The answer will be 855. So these are all some mental strategy for addition. So by using this method, you can make the addition simpler and easier. Thank you.